Hi, I'm Chanel Delau, Miss Curaçao 2016.
I was born on February 5, 1995 in Curaçao, the daughter of a Jamaican-born mother and a Dutch-born father. I'm a very family-oriented person, and even though I lost my father at the age of 16, I always saw the importance of having a family to love and be loved. I'm currently studying international business and management, and through this I became a more hardworking, direct, outspoken, talkative, and very confident person. I have a passion for cooking and creating new dishes. Dancing is also one of my hobbies. I use dancing as a medium of expression and relaxation. Curaçao is a small island in the southern Caribbean that throughout the years has acquired the name Paradise in the Caribbean Sea. Thanks to its touristic surroundings, excellent climate, and crystalline beaches, Curaçao is a truly unforgettable experience. Willemstad is the island's capital city, which consists of two parts, Cunda and Otrobanda. As each part has its own characteristics, Willemstad is generally unique and is enlisted on UNESCO's World Heritage List. The city is flanked by colorful buildings that radiate life and happiness by means of a European and Caribbean flavor. Strolling in the city center, one will bump into the famous fruit stalls known as the Floating Market. Venezuelan merchants travel by boat from South America and dock in Curaçao in order to sell fresh fruits and vegetables to the local population.
I am Dushi.
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 I am Dushi. I am Dushi. I am Dushi.
I am Dushi.
I am Dushi.
I am Dushi.
We are Dushi.
At the old market, one can experience the feeling of being an authentic Curaçao. The market's mouth-watering local dishes, which are served in a cozy environment, attract both tourists as well as locals. There are more than 35 different beaches on this Caribbean rock. Though each one of them possesses its own name and charm, they are all defined by turquoise-colored waters, sandy beaches, and corals. Curaçao owes its popularity as one of the best Caribbean destinations in part to these astonishing waters. Regardless of having a population consisting of about 150,000 inhabitants, Curaçao is highly rich in nationalities and religions. With more than 65 nationalities, the island harbors Indian, Chinese, Arabic, Portuguese, Venezuelan, Jamaican, and Dutch descendants, just to mention a few.
Curaçao, Curaçao. Different pronunciations, but one meaning, pure beauty.
The result of all this? A diversified, united, and friendly nation with the ability to speak several languages, including Papiamentu. Papiamentu is our native language, which is derived from African and Portuguese languages and influenced by English, Dutch, and Spanish.
I am Dushi, which means beautiful, sweetheart, or nice in Papiamentu. That's why we are Dushi Curaçao.